Bitcoin on a tear, as you know, recently.
So the price of Bitcoin near an all-time high, getting closer now to the $94,000 level.
Well, Bitcoin's rally is back on as the digital asset reaches a new record high above $94,000 per token.
Bitcoin is back near its all-time high.
Bitcoin has been on fire.
Just as of yesterday, just crossed the threshold of 100 billion in total ETF holdings.
Probably the biggest thing that's happened in the past 4 years for Bitcoin.
Bitcoin hitting record highs amid hopes that a Trump administration will be friendly to crypto.
So Bitcoin has been on a really crazy rally recently. As of recording this video, Bitcoin is currently trading at 98,000 US dollars, which is roughly around 440,000 ringgit. I don't know about you guys, but that is a lot of money. You can technically buy a house just using internet money. If you would have bought Bitcoin somewhere in January this year, you would be up roughly 140%. And if you've just bought Bitcoin 5 years ago, you would be up over 1,000%. I mean, to me, this is crazy. Even the stock market, the S&P 500 for example, averages about 10% every single year. What other asset classes in the world can make huge gains like Bitcoin? By the way, I just want to add that Peanut, the squirrel coin, is up over 3,000% over the past month. I don't know about that one, guys. Anyways, in this video, I'll be telling you guys why Bitcoin is in a really crucial stage as we enter the year 2025 and what is going to happen to Bitcoin once it reaches $100,000 per Bitcoin. I will also be telling you guys my plans and strategy once Bitcoin reaches $100,000 because I personally own some Bitcoins in my investment portfolio as well, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so first things first, why is Bitcoin rallying so much this time of year when it was pretty much trading sideways throughout the whole year? Well, this is mainly due to Donald Trump winning the 2024 US general election. And if you didn't know this already, Trump used to be a person that didn't really like or support crypto. He even called Bitcoin a scam against the US dollar before. But now, even before the election, he started showing his love and support for Bitcoin.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done.
So when Donald Trump won the election that was held on 5th of November 2024, the price of Bitcoin immediately started skyrocketing. And to this date, there hasn't been any signs of it slowing down.
As we say, it's going to the moon.
Not only that, Donald Trump's media company was also in talks about buying a crypto trading platform called Bucket, which also sent the company's shares soaring. So what happens when the price of Bitcoin finally reaches $100,000? Well, this is what I think that will most likely happen. So when Bitcoin reaches $100,000, this will be a whole new stage for Bitcoin. And this stage would be called the euphoric stage. Remember when Bitcoin used to be worth a few cents, and then it reached $1, and then it reached $10, and then after that it reached $100, $1,000, $10,000, and then finally $100,000. These are all the euphoric stages of Bitcoin. It's a nice round number for investors and traders, and it makes them happy. But most importantly, it sends a message. You see, when this euphoric number of $100,000 per Bitcoin is achieved, you're going to be seeing this news almost everywhere. You're going to be seeing this on Facebook, on Instagram, on news outlet that Bitcoin finally reaches $100,000 per Bitcoin. People who previously didn't know what Bitcoin were or thought Bitcoin was like a trend that would fade away would start realizing that Bitcoin is actually an asset that's here to stay. And they will start getting into Bitcoin and start investing and trading Bitcoin. And this is going to cause a whole bunch of new people or new volume of people who want to buy Bitcoin. So the law of supply and demand states that when there's a whole bunch of people who want to compete for the same limited number of goods, in this case Bitcoin, this is going to cause the price of Bitcoin to surge even more, even past the 100K mark. So maybe from 100,000, Bitcoin is going to reach 110,000, then 120,000, then 130,000. And this is what is known as the euphoric stage. So now I'm going to be telling you guys my plan once Bitcoin reaches $100,000 per Bitcoin. Because I do personally own some Bitcoins in my investment portfolio. I have been buying Bitcoin or dollar cost averaging on Bitcoin ever since Bitcoin was priced at 50,000 US dollars. So I'm kind of up a bit right now. So I'm going to tell you guys my strategy once Bitcoin reaches $100,000. So my plan is once Bitcoin reaches $100,000, I'm going to sell all of my Bitcoin and basically exit my position. Why? Because I think the 100K level would actually serve as a support and also a resistance to a lot of people, which makes it a good time for me to exit my position and sell all my Bitcoin. Then I'm gonna wait for the euphoric stage to take place because I don't know how long the euphoric stage will actually last. It can go up to 120,000, 130,000, 140,000. I'm not sure. It's pretty hard to predict how far or how high it's gonna go. But what I can predict is once the euphoric stage has ended, the market will likely correct itself, and this will cause the price of Bitcoin to come down on a massive downswing. Only when the price of Bitcoin reaches $90,000 or below, that's when I'm going to start averaging my positions again. I'm going to start buying Bitcoin as usual and dollar cost averaging as it goes back up and continues the Bitcoin long-term trend. Alright, so that is my strategy once Bitcoin reaches $100,000. It's a super simple strategy. I'm just planning ahead. With any investments that I do, I usually plan my entry and also my exit. So without an exit plan, you're just going to have a lot of headache. You're going to have a lot of FOMO. So stick to a plan and follow it. Also, when I sell my Bitcoin to exit my position once I reach $100,000, I'm not going to keep this cash in my bank account. Instead, I'm going to be putting all this money into a money market fund, which is going to earn me roughly 3 to 5% in interest every single year while I wait for the price of Bitcoin to come down to $90,000 again. The money market fund that I'm using is Versa. So Versa allows you to store your money in a money market fund, which can earn you, like I said, earn 3 to 5% in interest every single year. And the best part is the interest is paid on a daily basis. And also your money, you can withdraw it anytime with no lockup period, which is perfect lah, because I can withdraw this money out anytime and buy Bitcoin again once Bitcoin falls below $90,000. I'll leave a link to Versa in the description down below if you haven't signed up to Versa already. If you sign up to Versa using my promo link, you guys will get some special bonuses. Not only that, you'll be supporting this channel indirectly. Thank you. So that's it guys, that's my strategy once Bitcoin reaches $100,000. And if you're asking me where do you buy Bitcoin, how do you invest in Bitcoin, I use ByBit for all my crypto investments. For me, ByBit is the best and safest place to buy Bitcoin. And it's not only Bitcoin that you can buy on the exchange, you can buy other cryptocurrencies as well. The fees are also super cheap when you compare this to other platforms and exchanges to buy Bitcoin. By the way, if you haven't signed up to ByBit already, make sure to sign up using my promo code and link. If you sign up using my promo code, you guys will get 20% off on all trading fees. Not only that, if you deposit a minimum of 1,000 ringgit into your ByBit account using my promo code, you guys will get 100 ringgit cash bonus deposited into your ByBit account as well. So that's an instant 10% profit using my promo code. I'll leave all these links and promo codes for you guys to sign up in the description down below. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already. I too am trying to reach an euphoric 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube, so please help me achieve that. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram at Roti Finance. You can even shoot me a DM there, I will always reply. Anyways guys, keep up the gains, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao, peace.